Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be just, whoa, that's slippery. Okay. It's just going to be a walk with us and an update on Thunder's health, her service dog training, stuff like that. Sorry, there's a truck coming. Here, side, come on, side. Okay, here. So it is pretty loud outside and it is raining, so we won't be going out for long. So we're gonna start with Thunder's training for her for service work. And I just want to put out that everybody trains their dogs differently. Everybody has different values when it comes to their dog's health. Some people believe that a dog should be 100% healthy to be a service dog. Unlike me, if my dog's health issues do not affect her directly, I don't see an issue. Come on, we gotta talk to Cross. I don't see an issue on keeping on working her. Definitely the fact that one of her issues could be kind of minor, and one is a bit more serious. But she's a psychiatric medical alert service dog, and I don't ask a lot out of her. So, but anyways, so she's coming great on her training. We are still having issues with the cat, but that's something I'm working on. So, here. Okay. I hate ice. Okay. So it is something we are working on. I am slowly desensitizing her to the cat. I am working with my trainer on getting her used to the cat. So yeah. So there's that aspect. She is still fearful of other dogs, but she goes to doggy daycare once a week, and she is getting a lot better when it comes to dogs. She will actually try now and go and play with them. Her threshold has expanded quite a lot. As a puppy, she used to, when I put her in puppy class, she used to refuse to take treats. She used to not be treat motivated or toy motivated at all. She was very, very reserved, scared, and shy. But that has changed. We are now with, like, the trainer I was with before, he was a positive only trainer, which I have nothing against positive trainers only. This trainer I have with, she doesn't mind me using an e-collar on Thunder, and isn't actually working. Sorry guys, slow down. She is in fact working with me to slowly not need the e-collar at all. So right now I have just a basic shock collar. I will be getting an e-collar. Just because, I don't know, I prefer the e-collar compared to the shock collar that I have now. My friend gave me the shock collar that I have now, and it's working great, but it dies really fast. Okay, come on, I don't have all day, baby. Come on. It dies really, really quick, and the battery doesn't last long. I don't know if it's because I got a defect one or what, but it is, it just dies pretty fast. So, yeah. Also, I let my dog walk, like, with the whole leash extended, because I don't care if she pulls on leash. like on walks. Like she's not really pulling. But anyways, I don't mind if she does this on walks. She knows that it's only on walks only. When we are at puppy class, she knows where she needs to be when we walk. When she is working, she knows where she needs to stand when we walk. When I'm at work, she knows where to stand, where to walk, and how to act. So I don't have an issue with this at all. Some handlers might, but I don't. This is her time when we walk. It's her time of being just a dog. I don't care if she pulls. I don't care. I just don't. But that's just me. So yeah. The only thing I do care is when we get to stop signs, like I'm about to get, or when we get on patches of ice like this. That's when I care a bit more, because I don't want her to hurt herself. Yo, you won't cause an accident, dude. Okay, come on. I don't want her to slip or hurt herself. I don't want to slip and hurt myself. I don't want to slip and fall on her and hurt her. Come here. Come on. Sit. I'll make her sit. I look both ways, and then we cross. Okay, that's some... Alright, we have a moron driving on the streets today. On a freaking rainy day, people are speeding. Isn't that just nice? Anyways, that's not the subject of today's video. So, yeah, so she's coming along pretty great with her training. Come on, keep up. You're fine. Come on. Come on. She's just breaking ice. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Good dog. So she knows 4 tasks. All tasks are important. She knows how to alert to an oncoming panic attack. Well, it's not really oncoming, it's one that's... Oops. Thunder. Come back. I lost ya. Good girl. Alright. So anyways, as you can tell, that's how I don't really care that the leash, I got the leash or whatever, she'll come back, she listens. So, good girl. And she checks in often enough on me that I don't really care. But yeah, so she alerts to me hyperventilating and starting to cry by jumping up on me. Come. Good girl. By her jumping up on me, she alerts to me scratching, bouncing my leg, and she knows how to do deep pressure therapy. So those are all important to me. There's going to be more tasks to come for her to learn. But it's nothing. I taught her the 4 most important ones to me. So yeah, I think that's all for like service work that I need to update you guys on. I mean, she's gotten a lot better with her fear of men, women, kids. For the longest time I had took her out of PA just because of those issues, but I've been working with it with my trainer, and she's been able to go out in public now again with me, which is great. I'm really, really happy. She is a great dog all around. And there's a car coming. Come here, baby. Come here. Gotta get out of the way. Just wait, baby. There's a car, baby. There's a car coming. Okay. So now on to her health issues. So, good girl. Good check-in. So, I've made a video in the past, but then I deleted it. Because I didn't like how it turned out. No, one more blog, baby. Come on. No, we're not turning. I know we usually turn there, huh? Yeah. But I think we're gonna do a bigger walk today. But yeah, so health issues. A while back, I did a video. I deleted it. I didn't like it. I didn't like how it turned out. And I didn't have enough of information either on her diagnosis and everything like that. So we've done blood work and we sent her poop out for testing. So she has an issue with Giardia in the past, got treated for it, and had been dewormed twice in the past. So obviously Thunder has issues with worms and Giardia. So she is kind of prone at getting both of those. It has been an issue that we've had since we've had her. But it's no big deal. Again, I'm just gonna get her dewormed again, or get her treated as needed. But this time around, it's not worms, it's not a parasite, and it's not Giardia, because we sent out a poop sample and got her tested for all of that. And because she got a blood work done, and her blood work shown high white blood cells, low red blood cells, low protein, and I think low iron as well. But her blood work shown stuff that my vets were a bit concerned for. So we got her tested with the poops and stuff like that. And like I said, nothing came back, but it did conclude that she does have an upper GI issue. So she is on special food and supplements to help with her GI issues. I could put her on a vet diet, but I found a food that works for her, and that is the Purina Pro Plan sensitive stomach and sensitive skin. So that works amazing for her. But now I just got her tested for something else, for Addison's disease. A while back, she would always throw up and have soft stools every single time she ate or drank. So, here, baby. Sit. Sit down. Come on. Sit. Good girl. Okay, there's no cars coming. Come on. So we're getting her tested for Addison's disease because, like I said, at one point she was throwing up all the time after she ate, and she would have soft stools. So I should be getting the results sometime this week for Addison's disease. Come here. Okay, come here. Come here. What the fuck are they doing? Sorry for my language. Come on. Come on. Alright. Sorry guys, there was a car that was following me and it kind of creeped me out. So I should get the results sometime this week to see if she does have Addison's disease. I am hoping that she doesn't have it, because I am looking at $200 to $300 worth of medications a month. No. Come on. Good girl. So, My vets is like 4 or 5 different vets in one vet office. Each specialize in different things. Some are better like surgeries than others and stuff like that. I like it. I don't mind. My vets are pretty great. I've had, great results with that vet. What was that? That was a school bell. Yeah, because we have a school real close to us. Yeah, I used to go to that school, baby girl. So, come on, this way. Good girl. So, she does, in fact, so me and my vets concluded that because she does have a slow heart rate, so her heart rate is at 60 beats a minute, and they would prefer for it to be between 80, 90 beats a minute and up. 60 is okay in a dog, but it isn't okay. Like they accept it, but they would prefer for it to be higher. What you smelling? Come on, we're almost home. About. So they would like it for it to be higher. Not a big deal. I mean, they're okay with it, but they would, like I said, prefer for it to be higher. Yeah, there's a hair coming. Okay. Turn. Seriously, hit cars right about now. But yeah, so with that, with her puking, with her having soft stools, my vets concluded that she might have Addison's disease. So if she has Addison's disease, we will try the medications for 6 months, depending on the price, and if I could buy it in bulk or what, and administer it myself at home and don't need to go in once a month for the shots. I could get pill form once a month, but she hates meds as it is. So giving her a med, like a pill, once every single day for a month, like for the rest of her life practically, and then a shot once a month is better for me and her. So if I could buy it in bulk. Hi. Come on. So if I could buy it in bulk, it's going to be easier for me and her. And maybe not on my bank account, but it would be easier. So, with all of that, I'm going to try for 6 months and then temporarily wash her from service work. So come on, keep up. I'm going to keep training her to be a service dog, but her... Okay, wait, baby. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Sit down. Hey, sit. Good girl. All right. So temporary wash her from service work because stress can flare up Addison's disease if she has it, and it's common in poodles. Something I kind of knew by getting a poodle. I knew it was a chance, but no. Come here. What was that? Yeah, what was that? So we're going to temporarily wash her, try the meds for 6 months. Home. She knows the drill. Uh-oh. I hope I didn't show my address. Yep, I did. Okay. Come on, house. But so yeah, she would get temporarily washed, keep training for service work though, and then depending if it works or not, if it does not, if the meds work and stuff like that, but I can't keep her service work. Hi. See, right, shush, no barking. Right when we get in the house, she's looking for the cat. What you doing, baby girl? All right, so I'm gonna pause this right here, and I'll get back to you guys when I get back upstairs and show you her food. All right, so now we're in my room. I'm doing laundry, so I have piles of clothing all over the place. Thunder, leave it. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick what Thunder eats. So I keep her food in here. She has 2 slow feed bowls. Oops. This is her morning feed. This is her afternoon feed. And then this is Charlotte's bowl. So they're about to get fed. And this is the kibble that she gets. And she gets a cup. So a scoop like this. Once in the morning. And then once at night, she gets a cup and a half. Charlotte gets a cup, and she gets half a cup in the morning, half a cup at night. And then I'm going to show you guys real quick her supplements. Oh no. I moved them places. Shit. Oops. I just swore again. Okay, so I moved her supplements from places. It used to be on here. It either fell or I moved it because I don't use it every single day. But anyways, it's pumpkin supplements, and then there's the probiotic supplements. You get it at PetSmart or Pet Value. So I'm going to go ahead and feed her morning feed. So I'm just going to go ahead and feed Charlotte real quick. So Charlotte gets a scoop like this into her bowl. And then Thunder gets a scoop. Pretty much like that. Pick up some drop pieces. Throw her other bowl in there. Come here, baby girl. And then I just shake it like this to kind of make it kind of harder for her. Here's our toy. Okay, come on. Off. Off. Come on. Good girl. Kennel. All right. Eat. So I'm going to prep you guys up real quick. I have to prep some food for doggy daycare this week. So just give me a sec. Alright, so I'm just going to prep you guys up. I hope you guys could see me. I don't have my glasses on, but anyways. So I am going to prep some food for doggy daycare. So she goes there once a week, every Thursday. So I just use Ziploc bags. I'm going to pack, actually I think I'm going to fill the whole pile that I have that I just grabbed. And since, so she does get a lunch, but today it's a late day. She gets half a cup of, well, she gets a cup of food in the morning, a cup and a half at lunch, and then half a cup usually at supper time. But today it's a light day. It's 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock right now, so it's practically lunchtime, so I'm feeding her a late breakfast because we did start our day pretty late. But other than that, this bowl will go to puppy class, not puppy class, I can't concentrate, to doggy daycare with her, and they will feed her there. So that's like her afternoon and nighttime bowl. I might actually just keep that one there and just use the one I have now for breakfast and supper time. So she's just resting on her kennel right now. She's not gonna eat right now, which is fine. She ate the cat's food. That's another reason why she gets sick too, because she eats the cat food. But yeah, so I'm just gonna revise my future plan for Thunder. I'm giving it 6 months of medication. So her body gets used to it. She gets used to taking medication every day, getting shots once a month, stuff like that. And then I'm gonna reevaluate my situation and either resume our training for service work, or just wash her completely. Because I'm not sure how the medications will affect her. I'm not sure if she'll take to the medication. Most dogs with Addison's disease do. If not all dogs. But I mean, I've tried multiple medications with Thunder in the past, or different supplements in the past with Thunder, and some work, some don't. So I am skeptical. I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not. If it works, and she doesn't have any side effects or whatever, then she'll keep training for service work. If she has side effects and the meds don't work, or the meds do work but she just has side effects and stuff like that, then she will be completely washed, and depending where I'm at in my life, possibly go ahead and pick up a new puppy and start from scratch. This time I will pick a reputable breeder and not a puppy mill or a backyard breeder like I did. I didn't know he was a puppy mill or backyard breeder at the time. I thought he was a pretty good breeder. Yet again, I didn't do enough of research. That was my fault. I didn't ask enough of questions. And when he became sketchy, I didn't, I still went ahead and bought the puppy. I didn't stop and, reassess my situation or whatever. I just wanted a puppy. I needed a puppy because I needed a service dog. But I learned from my mistake, and that will never happen again. And another thing too is Thunder will be switched to raw feed soon enough. Hopefully, I'm just waiting to get the results. Then I'm going to talk with the vet, and I'm going to ask the vet again if it's okay for me to use raw with her. And if it is, then I'm going to switch her to raw, because it's going to be probably a lot easier to give her med instead of forcing the med down her throat. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that. If the med exceeds my budget, she will be put down. Just because, again, I can only afford so much. I have a part-time job, and that gets me somewhere, but not far enough. Like, I heard at one point that the medication could reach up to $1,000. Well, I don't have $1,000 a month to spend on medication for my dog, so she would get put down. But if it's close to $200, $300, and I could buy it in bulk and administer it myself and stuff like that, then I'm gonna do that and do it at home, and it's gonna save me some money because I don't need to see a vet tech to administer the medication. And I won't need to pay a visit to go see a vet tech to get administered once a month. So, but I will update you guys as soon as I get some results. Or, as soon as I get her results. If she doesn't have Addison's disease, then it's just going to be a GI issue. And I'll still switch her to raw. And I'm still going to keep training her and stuff like that. Give her the supplements that she needs when she has a flare-up. But other than that, she is perfectly fine and doing her service work pretty good. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and fill these bags off camera. Because really, I just wanted to give you guys an update. And I thought I was going to fill it up while I was talking to you guys. But that didn't happen. So, yeah. So that's the update about Thunder. She is going in sometime this week or next week to get updated on her vaccines, which is another thing too. She's allergic to vaccines. So, yeah. So that's going to be fun. That day she's probably not going to eat at all, because she usually ends up throwing up because, like I said, she's allergic to vaccines. So, yeah. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. And if you like videos like this, update videos, even though they're somewhat side videos, but I will be doing videos once a week, every Monday, probably. And it's going to be about like a day in the life of me, a handler of a service dog, like a day in the life of a service dog, you know, morning routines, nighttime routines, task training, basic obedience. You guys might see later on in the road, because I do need mobility aid, probably go from picking a puppy, picking a breeder, picking a puppy, and then starting from scratch at training a puppy. And then if she has Addison's disease, you will obviously see this process as well too. But you will get a glimpse of my day-to-day life, my struggles as a disabled handler, and all of that stuff. So if you like this type of video, or any videos I've mentioned in the past or done in the past, you could either like the video, subscribe, click the notification bell to get notifications once a week or every single time I upload, and leave a comment of ideas you want me to do in the past, critique my videos for me to improve better, make better videos, or if you guys want to see something, or if you guys want me to touch on a subject, then let me know. But other than that, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.